जय श्रीमन्नारायण।
ततो ददर्श रुचिरं कैलासशिखरप्रभं. When Sumantra going towards Ramabhavanam, from a distance he is looking at Ramabhavanam. It is looking like, it is glowing like Kailasashikharam. It is glowing like Devendra Bhavanam. Into such great Rama's palace, Sumantra is slowly approaching that palace. Outer area of the entire palace is filled up with dense crowd. Slowly Sumantra is crossing everyone. That Bhavanam is glowing with so many decorations, big doors embedded with all gems and pearls, and that entire area, outer area, inner area, entire palace is filled up with all kind of divine perfumes, wonderful fragrances, wonderful dhupam. Into such palace, Sumantra is slowly getting in. All the birds, peacocks, everywhere, all sentient and insentient things in the palace and around the palace, everyone is making beautiful sounds in the happiness, in the joy of Rama Pattabhishekam. That Rama's palace is looking like the mountain Meru. It is very tall and there are so many beautiful decorations captivating everyone's vision. Such beautiful palace is filled up with crores of people. Everybody, all the citizens holding gifts for Ramachandra Swami and wanted to give their gifts to Rama. When Rama comes out of the palace with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami with exclusive love and devotion. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He Raja Rama, He Raja Rama, He Sita Rama, He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.